Good evening, YouTube. Got the old Mongo man back with you here. Mongo's Garage. Horizon 200, 4 wins, 1989. Those of you that are familiar with the channel, I am Mongo. This is Mongo's Garage. This is a $3,000 mistake that we're going to make good on. So let's get the left side stringers out tonight, all right? Come on. You can watch. I'll let you. Just don't, shh, be quiet. I don't want to hear you back there hollering at me the whole time. That's the side we're going to get out tonight. See if we can find a good spot for you to hang out in and watch me work. One where you're not going to bug me too much. What do you think? I think that looks pretty good. Like butter. Didn't your mommy teach you not to make fun of people when they're down, huh? Up there laughing at me, making fun of me in here, getting all itchy, messing with his old boat, thinking I'm crazy and stuff. Yeah, I know all about you. See? Half. Oh, it's not nearly as heavy as the other side was.
Saying you were taking a nap.
Yeah.
Where are you?
In the boat.
Oh my goodness. Kendall.
Huh?
What the hell did you do?
I got rid of the rot.
Really? I hope you took pictures and hope you know what the hell you're doing when you put this thing back together.
Who do you think you're talking to, Kenneth? That comes out the wall.
Oh, yeah. Sliding. Take out.
Want to do me a favor?
What?
There should be a broom handle and a shovel down there. Okay. Well, there it is. I got the left side stringers out now. As you can tell, I did a little better job cutting those ones out. I got the Axe metal embedded, nail embedded Sawzall blades. Boy, them are nice. They clean that stuff right out of there. There's the stringers. And I'm sure I'm just a sight to behold. We'll get right here so you can see me. Hey, that's it for tonight. I am itchy. Taking these stringers out was by far the itchiest job of all. So I'm going to go get a shower, get cleaned up, and put a real quick video together. I don't know what kind of video I got, taking those out of there, but we'll see what we got. All right, tomorrow the plan, to get the motor out and all the wood back here. And like I was telling Cheryl, I want to get everything ground down. And then maybe we'll take it down to Rowdy's Wash in Wellsburg, the official car wash in Mongo's Garage, so that we can blow everything down. All right, that's it for tonight. Mongo Man is out. We'll see you all later.